In this video, I'll show you how to fix transaction errors in Trust Wallet so your sends and swaps go through smoothly. First, start with the simple checks. Open Trust Wallet, make sure you have a stable internet connection, then on the Wallet tab, pull down to refresh. If the error pops up again, close and reopen the app and check that it's updated in the App Store or Google Play. Next, check gas fees. Every network needs its own coin for fees: BNB, Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, etc. If your balance of that coin is almost zero, your transaction will fail. Add a bit more of the native coin, then try again. If the error appears during a swap, open the swap screen and lower the amount slightly. Increase slippage a bit. For example, from 0.5% to 3 to 5% for taxed tokens. Make sure you chose the correct token and network. If you recently tried and it's still failing, wait a few minutes and try again with a smaller test amount. For very stubborn errors, try another DEX/provider inside the browser tab or contact the token's official support/community before retrying with a large amount. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.